This meme coin just broke Bitcoin, baby. Meme coins are back with an absolute vengeance, ragingly just pushing higher. It's absolutely crazy to see. I want to talk about meme coins, the big meme coin of the week this week. We, of course, got to talk about Bitcoin as well, some key charts, some other altcoin news for you. So lots of goods to get into. So let's just go ahead and get straight into it. And of course, start off with talking about the price of Bitcoin. And then very shortly thereafter, the price of this meme coin that everybody seems to be talking about this week. So that's the price of Bitcoin. Of course, we had the big move down over the Israel-Iran tensions last week. We did bounce off the 200-day EMA, which I like to see. It's a nice spot to bounce. It's a very, very key line, and seeing that line hold as support, I dig it. Fantastic. We are pushing higher. We have reclaimed the 50 and 100-day EMAs, yellow and blue line here on the chart. All positive things. Currently priced around $63,700, something like that. Slowly grinding up. This is a positive move for Bitcoin. But, of course, while Bitcoin's up a few percentage points this week, look at this bad boy. Popcat, the new paradigm of money, and we all missed it. I missed it. Maybe some of you guys got it. Popcat, man. Now, look, this is the flavor of the week in the meme coin space, and we're going to have a bigger talk on meme coins here in a few minutes in the video. But I think it's important to just have this quick chat how crazy meme coins are, because you look at Bitcoin, which is up 5% or something in the last week off the bounce, and then a meme coin goes up 50%. This is what people come to crypto for. People come to crypto for outsized gains. Yeah, they understand there's risks. At least I hope you guys understand those risks. Investing in crypto is risky. You can lose all your money. Don't forget it. By the way, portfolio disclosures down below in the description. As always, you can see what I'm invested in, resale investments, all that kind of stuff. It's all down there, including the risk statement, because you can lose all your money. Anyway, the meme coin dream. This is it. This is it, right? Getting outsized returns, seeing huge wealth get created in a very short amount of time off of something that essentially has no purpose beyond being a speculative financial instrument, a culture token, if you will. People love it. People love this kind of stuff. And when these kind of things happen, guess what? It draws a lot of normies in, and they learn about, it's the gateway drug. Meme coins are the gateway drug. You learn about meme coins, you buy some Popcat, you buy some dog with hat, whatever, and then you're like, that's cool. And then you learn about Bitcoin, our favorite stable coin. No, Bitcoin, of course, is the OG. It's the OG, man. And let's fast forward 10 years. What do you think is still going to be here? Bitcoin or Popcat? Bitcoin or Popcat? You know the answer. Here's a great post here from Jay. He said, Bitcoin typically bottoms 3 to 4 days into October. From the bottom to the end of October, Bitcoin tends to be up about 32% on average, 36% if you exclude Octobers that have negative returns. We tagged $59,800 on October 3rd after a sell-off. If we return 30%, that grinds us up to $77K, which would be a new all-time high. Now, it's going to be interesting to see how the rest of the month plays out. We are still in October, guys. I know we started off with a bit of October, Downtober, whatever you want to call it. But now we seem to be back on track for a bit of positive returns for the rest of the month. Obviously, a lot of stuff can still happen. The war could kick off more in the Middle East and yada, 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 yada. All kinds of things can always spook the market, right? Nobody has a crystal ball. Okay? Past performance does not equal future performance, right? Just because it's what's happened in October's previously doesn't mean it's going to happen in this October. But chances are pretty good in our favor for exciting things to happen price-wise. Now, our key level for Bitcoin, as I've been prattling on about for months and months and months and months and months and months on end, is this right here. Really, probably about 72K, but let's say honestly, until you crack over 74K, don't get too excited. Everything can just be considered in the range. I think we are starting a new uptrend with a new higher high, new higher lows. This is all fantastic. But until we crack 74K, the confidence will not be there. The normies will not come rushing back in. Oh, sure, they're here to buy cat coins. Meow. But when Bitcoin cracks 74K, if you haven't been around for this, by the way, if you haven't seen this happen before, it's a beautiful sight to behold. When Bitcoin cracks over 74K and really starts running, and it'll run from 74 to 100K in 6 to 8 weeks, something like that, the amount of euphoria and greed and insanity on the timeline is going to be a thing to behold. The amount of money being made off of altcoins in a very short amount of time. If you haven't seen it, man, it's like watching the wild The wildebeests on the plains of the Serengeti, man. Being hunted by the lions, of course. Because that's what happens. The retail herd comes in and the lions feed, baby. Hey, we had some great economic data come out the other day. Non-farm payrolls up big time. Now this is basically all government jobs. So a lot of people are saying, yeah, it's the job, people are getting more jobs, but it's all government jobs. It's really that great. Unemployment has come down. Great. Unemployment still falling next month. Fantastic news. Lots of great economic news coming in here. So we continue to stubbornly not have a recession. Even though I was reading a report from some investment firm being like, the recession's going to happen any second. Hold on to your butts. Like, man, it's crazy because the GDP's scheduled to be a 3% increase for the third quarter. Unemployment's down. Jobs are up. All this, there's a lot of conflicting data still, but this is good. This is good. Markets like that, of course, as well as World War III not happening, obviously. Fajal is saying 2025 is going to be absolutely hilarious. A lot of people's priors will break and many will go insane. This is a response to Andreas here saying, my best guess is that we get a very solid cyclical rebound in 2025, 2026. Big returns upcoming. This is ISM manufacturing PMI versus rates. So we'll see manufacturing pumping up. What's interesting, too, is a lot of people continue to talk about manufacturing in the U.S. economy. But actually, the USA is more of a service economy. And the service PMI or ISM, whatever, the service number went up dramatically. It's been doing very strong and continues to show a lot of very positive strength. Manufacturing will catch up, but America doesn't make as much stuff as it used to. Obviously, we all know that. Now, real quick, before we get into the rest of the altcoin news, guys, if you want a place to trade crypto with no KYC, I said no KYC, and also get $5,500 worth of sweet benefits and bonuses, they might want to check out BitUnix. There's a link down below in the description. You can get started, start trading futures, altcoins, all that kind of stuff with no KYC. So it'll be a great option for some of you guys out there. Go check it out using the link down below in the description. Thank you very much. So, Coin Mama is saying, people make fun of Ethereum performance, but it just shows the state of the market. It's no bull market if the second coin by market cap is consistently going down. The Solana flippenings here, man, that's why. No, it's true, though. Look, we can clown on Ethereum some, and I like to clown on my Ethereum bags. It's my second biggest holding. But the fact of the matter is that Ethereum is still the second biggest coin. Look at all the layer 2s and all the stuff that's launching and all the mind share and all the developers and all the money and all that stuff very firmly on Ethereum or Ethereum ecosystem products like Base or Linea or whatever else, right? So don't fade ETH, guys, especially with this. This is very exciting. So this is Saigar. He said there's a new EIP to increase Ethereum's throughput by 50%. 12-second block times go down to 8-second block times. 6 data blocks per block goes to 9 data blobs per block. DEX has become around 1.22x more efficient. If approved, this will be a huge first step in improving Ethereum Layer 1 performance. Yes, finally. Come on, it's been years, guys. Let's do something for ETH Layer 1 because there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be done on ETH Layer 1, and a little bit of throughput improvement would be a good thing. So let's see if they actually push this through. It's just an EIP, so an Ethereum improvement proposal at this point has not been approved, but if approved, would be a very positive thing for ETH. Polkadot, the ghost chain, reporting for duty. This is a response to this right here. So September saw an all-time high for number of Polkadot ecosystem transactions, yet the timeline would have you think it's a ghost chain. 32.3 million transactions beats the 31.8 set by during the inscription phase. Now, it's interesting. That's 1 million transactions per day, essentially, happening on Polkadot right now. And yet the market is acting like there's 0 transactions per day happening on Polkadot because the price of Polkadot's basically back at the price that I bought it for in 2020 or 2021 or whatever. Ouch. Ouch. It hurts. It hurts. Oh, my gosh. Anyway, continuing. SWI, the new paradigm of money, the one that everyone's very excited about, that is continuing to put in massive price movements. Duo9 saying Solana to 1,000 just got canceled. SWI Networks passes Solana in transactions offering lower fees. SWI is literally exploding right now, shadowing Solana. We didn't lie about the Suinami. Current transactions per second, 756 versus 726 on Sol. Daily active accounts, 1.17 million versus 2.1 million. Daily transactions, 58 million versus 38 million. Weekly Ethereum flows, 55 million to SUI, 69 million to Sol. Average fee 0.0018 cents versus 0.0044 cents on Sol. TVL and Sui 1 billion, 5.5 billion on Sol. Solana does have some competition out there, and Sui apparently, why have I not? But anyway, I will probably buy some at some point when it's too gosh darn late. Anyway, besides the point. This is definitely getting the hype and attention, and you can see the market is really paying attention to Sui right now. People are excited about it. People are talking about it. People are, aping into it and all that kind of stuff. So, fantastico to see. Of course, the price. Gosh darn, look at that beast. Once again, hitting back up here. This is where we saw resistance come in the other day. Break beyond that, you run up to 220, which is the previous all-time high, and we are very close to price discovery here for Sui. At some point, I hope that a little pullback would happen, but man, it's just been showing so much gosh darn strength. This is as much as you got the other day. We did go from $2 down to about $1.60 the other day, offering an interesting entry point for anybody, of course, looking to get into that. But gosh darn, man, what a beast. What a beast. Now let's talk about meme coins. Chris Gruniski saying meme coin engagement on this app is through the roof. Scary and notable. True. Seneca says meme coins reminding me a lot of NFTs from 2021 at the moment. Crazy cult-like bullishness with blinders on. True. Things can get so much crazier before the bubble bursts. Absolutely true as well, but the bubble will burst. And I've said this many, many times as well, so it's echoing kind of what I say, but it's a very true point. It's very much worth repeating. 99% of these things are gonna go to zero. Now, you're gonna look back in 5 years of your portfolio and go, how the heck did I ever buy that stupid crap? As I've done this before in my own portfolio, look back in 2021 or 2018 or whatever, and like, how did I own some of this stupid crap? What was I thinking at the time? The greed gets on your brain, man. That's what happens. Now, some of the best ones, as he says here, we're going to drop 90% from their all-time highs this cycle. They will, but that'll be offered an opportunity. So if you want to get stuff like, I don't know, Pepe, for example, or maybe Dog with Hat. These could be multi-cycle meme coins that offer fantastic buying opportunities in the depths of the bear market when nobody wants to take the kind of risks that are required for meme coins to go up in prices, okay? But that's the best time to buy them. But the vast majority of these things will be one pump chumps in terms of their cycle, right? So they're going to be here for a few weeks, a few months, maybe till the end of the cycle, and then that's it. They're dead. They'll never come back. The communities will abandon them, the devs will abandon them, liquidity will be drained, and there'll be nothing, okay? So don't drink the Kool-Aid, okay, when it comes to this. Understand what meme coins are, understand how to make money on them. You get in, you get out. You could hold with conviction for a certain amount of time, but when the cycle's getting late, you got to get out, man. But there is no denying that meme coins have been the biggest money makers of the cycle. Look at this. Year to date, sector-wise average returns. Pratik shared this one here. This is very interesting. Bitcoin, 50%. ETH, 14%. Solana, 52%. Layer 1's very poor performance overall. That's drugged down, of course, by underperformers. We have had some outperformers within that. So, some have performed very poorly, while others have performed very, very well. So it's a big category. Modular stuff has not done well so far by any means. Goodness gracious, down 50%. ETH DeFi, a few have done very well. Most have not done very well. Like Aave's been doing good, but like Curve and stuff, it just, nah, dog. Solana DeFi doing better, though, 20% average returns. Cosmos ecosystem getting slaughtered. AI and DePIN doing very well also. I think we'll see it coming back very, very strongly. Meme coins, year-to-date average returns for meme coins, Doge, SHIB, Pepe, WIF, Floki, Bonk, 425%. You could think meme coins are dumb. They are dumb. You can think meme coins are not going to last. They're not going to last. But then you can also look at this, and you can ask yourself the question, do you want to be right or do you want to make money? Because in this situation, you can't be both, right? You can accept all the foibles and criticisms of meme coins and then realize that, you're mid-curving it. If you're not paying attention to meme coins at all and you have none in your portfolio, I think you're mid-curving. Now, I'm not saying you have to go buy meme coins. You don't have to play this game. You don't, okay? And it's not financial advice. I own meme coins. I own Brett, and I own bunch of other stuff, Smoking Chicken Fish and Miggles and Benji, and we've got some Foxy and stuff like this, some Puff, right? But I'd probably get another meme coin or two because you know what? Meme coins are funny. Meme coins make money, and you can be the ape or you can be the wizard on it and realize that, okay, culture coins, number go up. That's what matters. until it doesn't, because at some point it won't. But for right now, it does, okay? As long as it does, stuff like Hippo will continue to go crazy. This is a SWI-based meme coin that has gone from a market cap of, let's see, since they even started tracking, a market cap of 0, okay, so from October 2nd, it has gone up to a market cap of $160 million. Fantastic. Fantastic, man. We love to see it. Hey, real quick before we finish up here, guys, if you are not signed up to the newsletter yet, get signed up to the newsletter. Best damn newsletter in the cryptocurrency business. I know I'm biased because it is my newsletter, but it is damn awesome, and you will love it. Every single week, we're giving you the latest on altcoins, altcoin deep dives, meme coins, airdrop tutorials. The amount of airdrops we've shared this year that have made crazy money, like, seriously, it's been absolutely nuts. Thousands of dollars made this year just on airdrops we shared in our free newsletter, more in our premium newsletter. So many opportunities every week in the market, and we're trying to help you stay ahead of the curve and to save your time here. So if you want to get that for free, link down below in the description where you can get that checked out. That's it. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you back for the next one. Peace.